Hey, this is Josh with Budget Mechanic. If your battery light has gone on, it's probably your alternator is failing. But before you go into all the trouble of replacing it, check your fuse first. So here on this 2008 Hyundai Sonata, battery light came on. I measured the voltage when the car was running. It was lower than it should have been. I suspect the alternator, but before I go to all that trouble, let's check the fuse. So on this Hyundai, the alternator fuse is in the corner here. I just found it on the little chart in the fuse box lid. It's just two little bolts here. Since my big fat thumbs can't get in there, I'm just going to pull it out here. So if the fuse is bad, it's most likely going to have physical signs of burning or melting. But just to confirm, I'm going to use my voltmeter. You're just going to find either the ohm setting, or most meters now have a continuity setting, which just basically means it will tell you if the two connect, so you can figure out if an object is conducting electricity. And I'm just going to test to see if current goes through this fuse, and it does. Now if there was no current able to go through this fuse, it would mean it's blown, and that's probably what's going wrong. But this fuse is fine. Not too tight, just enough. So since that fuse was good, probably means your alternator or some of your wiring is bad and you need to go down that route. The process is the same for most cars checking this fuse. They may look a little different, but if it's got the two ends or the two pins, you just test continuity between them, and if you have continuity, then your fuse is good. If it's a relay, one of these boxes in your fuse box, that's a whole nother ball game, and we'll make another video about that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.